We get hiccups when the diaphragm, the large muscle under your lungs that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts involuntarily. This quick contraction makes you inhale air suddenly, and then your vocal cords close right after, creating the characteristic hic sound. Common causes of hiccups: eating too quickly or overeating stew, drinking carbonated or fizzy drinks, cup with straw, swallowing air while chewing gum or sucking candy, sudden changes in stomach temperature, like eating something very hot then cold, excitement, stress, or laughing too hard, tears of joy, alcohol consumption, wine. Usually, hiccups are harmless and stop on their own within minutes. Rarely, if they last more than 48 hours, they may indicate an underlying medical issue such as irritation of the diaphragm, nerve problems, or gastrointestinal conditions.